Hey, let me show you the best features of the Samsung Galaxy Fit 3. So first of all, I'm going to show you the best features, functions that we can actually find in the settings. So let's start, and first of all, we can actually find on this device the always on display. So there's really useful. You can just put this device on your wrist. When the screen goes black, after like 5 or 10 seconds, you can actually find the time and the date. It's actually not good visible, but I mean, it's not good visible on the camera, but in the real life, I can clearly see the time and the date. So that's actually the good feature that we get. Also, let me just quickly increase the time. And there we go. And that's all from the display settings. Next, when we move into the Samsung Health, we've got actually a really useful option of the heart rate. So yeah, we can actually measure the heart rate. That's quite obvious, but we can actually get the heart rate monitoring for the all day. So you have to switch to the measure continuously. Also, we've got as a default the high and the low heart rate alerts, and we can even customize them, because as a default on the high we've got 120, but let's get, for example, the 100 and then click done. From the low we get the same. We can set from the 60 to 40. And that's all for the heart rate. We can also measure the stress, and it's also useful because we can measure stress level for all day, so like it was with the heart rate, continuously. Then we can also track our sleep. Of course, it's actually measuring the sleep automatically when you put your band on the wrist and go sleep, but you can also measure the blood oxygen during the sleep, and also there's like snore detection. So you have to actually click on it to turn it on, and you can configure this feature in the Samsung Health application. And you have to remember about one thing, that this Galaxy Fit Band, it's not recording this snoring. The phone is actually recording. So when you are going to sleep, you have to remember to put your phone close to your head. Or maybe not to your head, just close to your bed, like 2 meters away from your bed, or 1 meter, to actually get this microphone activated during the night time. And all of these records you can actually find in the Samsung Health application. And now let's go back from this one, from this fitness data. Right here we've got also the heart fall detection. Just from here we can turn it on, and after this, when we enable it, we can simply add the phone number. Even we can add the multiple phone numbers, and after this fall will be detected, our watch is going to send SOS messages to all of these contacts. And we can even customize this fall detection. When we go, it was somewhere here. I'm gonna just show you how it looks. Okay, it's not right here. There was no notifications. Okay, I'm just wasting right now your time, but I just cannot find it right here. But it was somewhere here. Okay, never mind. But actually, you can change the fall detection. For example, when you are in the workouts, you can actually turn off the workouts fall detection and turn it only for stuff like walking and stuff like this. You know what I mean, probably. And next, let's go back from this one. No, I just want to get back into this settings. There we go. So I was about this heart fall detection, right? Okay, let's add to create the contact. Random number, click save. Okay, and now when we got this, as you can see, it's actually in the safety and emergency. So I just really want to find it, and from here we can find this, change this fall detection from always, or for example during the physical activity, or only during workouts. So this is what I want to show you. Right now I just find it. Let's go for all of these other features. And that's all from the settings. We can also control the media of our smartphone. So when I turn it on right here, I can change volume of my songs playing on the phone. I can turn the next song, previous song, and I can also play and pause media. So it's useful where, for example, you are, I don't know, on the gym and your phone is in your bag, on your pocket, and you don't want to take it off and change songs, so it's useful. You can also find your phone if you lost it by clicking here. And it works the same on the Galaxy application, that you can find your band, but it's actually not making the sound, it's only vibrating. From this, what is useful that we've got stopwatch and the calculator application. Unfortunately, we cannot download any additional apps, but we got actually the stopwatch and the calculator. And for sure, we can measure the blood oxygen level by adding the tile. It's just right here. There we go. And additionally, we can also check this stress. And yeah, that's all from this band. But also we can connect this band into the Strava application, for example. We can track all of this data into the Samsung Health application. Just from here, we can find a lot of options. For sure, we can receive notifications from our phone. So when you go to the Galaxy application, you can click on the band settings, go to the notifications, and then basically enable notification from any application that you have on your phone. Also, we can receive the notifications about the phone calls. And that's basically it for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.